Hi guys, I'm Ana De Armas and you're with me in my bathroom in LA while I get ready for my day. I am having my cafe bonbon. It's my favorite drink in the morning. Today I wanted to show you a part of my beauty routine that's super essential for me, and it's the new concentrate from La Mer. I really love this product. I'm obsessed with it. I've always loved their serum. It helps restore my skin's barrier and it protects it from pollution and the elements, and it's packed with antioxidant protection. I mean, just a little bit that you put on your fingers goes a long way. You don't need more than that. I like my skin to look healthy and dewy, but it's also kind of sensitive. So I have to be very careful with what I put on. I feel like this serum is like my secret weapon. Smells good, feels good, looks good. It's all good.